Hey everybody, welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. Jacob Letman here. Thanks for being here. Go ahead and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. That way you can get updates anytime we come out with important and relevant new information that has to do with rideshare driving. And on that note, what I want to talk about in this video is actually, it's not only on the minds of many rideshare drivers out there, but many Americans, and that is round 2 of stimulus checks. Whether or not that's going to happen, when they're going to come out, how much they're going to be for, who can expect to receive them. All good questions. Unfortunately, there is no answer right now. There's only speculation, and the reason being is because as of now, there is a bill that is put out there, has not even been voted on yet. It's being negotiated by the Democrats and Republicans in the Senate. It is the Republicans' bill put forth by the senators on the Republican side. It's for roughly $1 trillion stimulus package for the U.S. to help with everything that's been going on. In that includes resources, or I should say funding for small business loans like the EIDL loan, the PPP loan, unemployment insurance benefits, money for testing and research and schools and everything, and also stimulus checks. And so right now the situation is that basically Democrats and Republicans are as far apart on this bill as can possibly be, and as of right now there is zero chance of it passing unless they can negotiate and come up with, come together on some terms and compromise on some things, which is very difficult for politicians with big egos. Go figure. Because nobody wants to be wrong. But at the same time, the people who are really going to be affected, actually there was a report that came out today that showed basically the nation's economic status, and we are in a giant hole compared to what many people even thought. So anyway, we're not in a good situation, to put it in layman's terms. So there's definitely funding that is needed, and that's obvious. And as long as a bill of some sort does pass, can pretty much guarantee that there will be a second round of stimulus checks in that. And I do believe that even even in this Republican bill, which cuts out a lot of stuff, right? It cuts down the $600 federal stipend for unemployment benefits, weekly unemployment benefits, to $200 until I think September, and then it would go up to 70% of a worker's previous wages. But the Democrats are way against that. Anyway, there's a lot of things that they're like this on. So all of that aside, the stimulus checks are in there, I believe, still at $1,200, still for the same demographic, fiscally speaking, for people. So if you make $75,000 or below, you will receive the full $1,200. And what else? I forget what that had. So for couples, it would be $2,400 for couples, and then $500 per dependent child. That's right. Pretty sure that's right. Sorry, I should have that. But I really wanted to just say that pay attention. So all you have to do if you want to get updates on this, because right now they're negotiating this. We're at the end of July. They're negotiating this. They will be negotiating this until August 7th, I believe, is when Congress goes on recess. So they're either going to come to some sort of agreement, and I hope they do, so that those stimulus checks can get moving to people, right? Because that's going to help all of us, help the economy big time. And so anyway, to get updates on it, instead of waiting to hear from me, you can just go to Google and just search stimulus check news or stimulus payment news, and yeah, you'll get information galore about it. It's being covered everywhere. So anyway, if you guys have any additional questions on that, I'm staying on top of this, even though I can't remember the numbers. But jump down to the comment section below. Let me know your thoughts on it, or if you have any questions, I'd be happy to help out and answer them if I can. And other than that, I hope you guys are doing good out there. Staying safe, staying healthy. That's super important. And if you're driving, you know, drive safe. All right. That's all I got. Stop babbling now. Thanks for being here, you guys. I'm Jacob Letman. This is Rideshare Hub. Until the next time, stay safe out there.